When your Bluetooth headphones go missing, modern technology offers several effective methods to track them down. We'll explore the most reliable techniques available today. The first and most effective method is using your headphone's companion app. Apple AirPods work with the Find My app, while Samsung Galaxy Buds use the Galaxy Wearable app to show the last known location. If the app shows a recent location, walk around that area with Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone. Bluetooth headphones typically have a range of about 30 feet, so your phone will detect them when you get close enough. For enhanced tracking, consider headphones with built-in tile functionality or attach a separate tile tracker to your headphone case. Tile trackers provide additional location services and can ring when activated through the app. In 2025, Bluetooth 6 introduces channel sounding technology, which provides true distance awareness for much more precise location tracking compared to older Bluetooth versions. Finally, Bluetooth scanner apps can help pinpoint your headphones by showing signal strength indicators. The stronger the signal, the closer you are to your missing headphones. These modern techniques provide multiple approaches to locate your missing Bluetooth headphones, from companion apps to advanced signal detection methods. When dealing with stolen Bluetooth headphones, the recovery process requires a more systematic approach than simply searching nearby areas. If your headphones have been stolen, immediately report the theft to local authorities. Provide them with the headphone's serial number, which is usually found on the device or original packaging. A revolutionary development in device tracking is the Hubble BLE Finding Network. This innovative system uses satellites to track Bluetooth devices globally, offering unprecedented coverage for lost items. As we move through 2025, look for headphones supporting Auracast technology for improved connectivity and LE audio for enhanced audio experiences with better battery efficiency. The future of Bluetooth earphones embraces artificial intelligence with adaptive noise cancellation that learns from your environment and personalized sound profiles that adjust to your hearing preferences. Smart Bluetooth headsets are expected to grow significantly in popularity, offering integrated voice assistance and health monitoring capabilities that transform headphones into comprehensive wellness devices. These advanced recovery methods and emerging technologies represent the future of Bluetooth headphone security and functionality, offering both better protection against loss and enhanced user experiences.